Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Cardano ADA. So it hit our target at 0.98, like very nicely. It's holding right there, so we're gonna see what's actually happening right now, if it is gonna go down or not. Actually, we don't know if it's gonna go down or not. For that we have to watch Bitcoin. If you want to know where the supports are for Bitcoin and stuff like that, there is a video for Bitcoin that I did earlier today, so you might want to check that out. That said, yeah, let's get into the charts, make my face small, charts bigger, and see what's actually happening with Bitcoin, with Cardano. With Cardano, we are doing Cardano. So yesterday we had this very nice triangle that was happening, right, and then we broke out in triangle, but we had a really nice targets as well on the upside and downside. So on the upside was, if we are to break on the upside, we kind of got a fake out here. Like everything, it got a fake out. This is a fake out. Got a small fake out, and then bounced really hard down to the actual target of 0.98. So this didn't play it out, but this did play it out. So very nice with the target. So we don't need the target anymore, so we can remove these lights. We can keep this support line, because right now it's actually acting as a support line. This is finished, and this one is not coming anytime soon, so we're just removing some of the support lines, just so it's easier to see the chart. So right now what's happening, this is a 4-hourly chart. We are below all the moving averages. On the daily chart we can see also that we hit the 100 moving average on the way down, in the ballpark area of 0.98. so that's also giving us support. And now we are, like everything else, Bitcoin can also hit some kind of supports, and it's kind of consolidating at that level, figuring out if it want to go further down or not. So right now everything is kind of picking back up again. How much it will pick up, this might actually go all the way to green. Right now everything is red, so might actually go all the way into the green. Maybe not, we're gonna see that. But if Bitcoin starts picking up more, maybe this can actually turn out to be a good day today. That said, let's see, find some kind of supports below this target, because if we start going up here, down here, of course 0.98 is the support, and this 0.95 is the very nice line. But ultimately, after a week is done, we want to hold this level up here at 1.05. so this is the level we actually want to hold. This is the we don't want to fall below this on the weekly chart. I know there is also support on the 20 moving average on the weekly, but ultimately best case scenario is holding 1. Let's remove this. The 15 we don't need anymore. Ultimately we want to stay above the 1.05. And this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad at all. It looks very nice. I know people might be thinking like, yeah, we also get to this bearish cross down here, and then we are below the 10 moving average, but we are above the 20 moving average, and this RSI is actually resetting and giving us more opportunity to go higher after this dump is finished. So this is actually very good for Cardano. You people think like, oh, it's going down, I'm panic, I'm gonna sell, it's gonna go to 0. It's not gonna go. Only way it's gonna go to 0 or a little bit above 0 is if Bitcoin crashes and we enter the bear market and stuff like that. Then you get these 80-90% corrections that are nowhere near right now. I don't know anybody that's saying that we are in bear market. Do you know anybody beside people on some kind of forums, on some kind of chats that are spreading fun and say, oh, Bitcoin's going? Do you know anybody with any certain degree of what are you gonna say? Certain degree of respect that maybe that's saying that there is a Bitcoin that we are inside a bear market? No. Most people are saying like, we might actually have some kind of downtrend or something like that, but nobody's saying anything about bear market. I don't know anybody who's saying anything about bear market. I know a lot of YouTubers are making like, oh, this is scary for Bitcoin, we're gonna die, but that's not gonna happen, not yet. They're doing it for clicks. That said, there seems to be some support here at 100 moving average and the 98, but this looks to me very nice. This looks very nice to me, especially since we are in option and we are resetting our weekly technicals. I like that we are resetting the weekly technicals, because this pullback might actually come very nice. Just like we did here on the 4-hourly chart. I'm going to show you. On 4-hourly chart we had this resistance line, right, and then we had this then we had this pump above the resistance. It was like a pump. It was like a spring, right? A rubber band. Go up and then pushed us down. Oh, exactly. We break the resistance, but just right back down again, right? We used it to spring down, right? And the same thing might actually happen right now on the like bigger time frames, but on the upside. Maybe if you look at the weekly chart, maybe this is the spring that we need to get higher up, right? So we are going down, and this is maybe spring and then go up, like spring up. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe we are using it as a spring to make higher highs. That's always one possibility. Let's look at a daily again and see if that's actually the case. Do we have actually any decent support up here on the daily? That's one is over there. Then you got some supports down here, and you see there's a lot of support right below us that might actually hold over. Actually, this one over here is actually a lot nicer. That's a 111 or something like that. So if we can climb a little bit up higher, we are kind of nice. I think this looks nice either way. Bitcoin is, let's see, because on the 5-minute chart actually XRP was doing something. This is the 5-minute chart. So right now we are actually breaking the upside on the 5-minute chart. You can see here we are breaking the trend. I was doing the same thing on my XRP video, and I was saying that it can go down, but this is actually breaking the upside. So upside right now should be around 114. So I think we're gonna hit 114 on this move up before it decides what's gonna do. So we might actually hit 114, give or take, and then either go down or up. It depends. But first move should come around 114 since we are out of this triangle. So if that's how much percent that's up from the making of this video. Yeah, 5% more up. I think that's yeah. If we go up there, then we are actually in green. That's what I said earlier. Like there's a possibility that a lot of these coins will get into green during the day, and what's gonna happen after that, it depends. That said, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Join the Telegram chat. Talk about people who are panicking. You know, give each other moral support and stuff like that. Also check out the Patreon. We got some very nice thing going on there. So. It might be something for you. Check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.